We are standing on the threshold to welcome a knowledge-driven era which will see supremacy of brain powers over the field of science and technology. Keeping this in the backdrop, under the flagship of Gateway Education and Charitable Society, Gateway Institute of Engineering and Technology (GIET) was established in the year 2009 by the great visionary and philanthropist Shri H.P. Mangla, the chairman, and architect Rakesh Agarwal, the executive chairman of Gateway Group of Institutions. Gateway Institute of Engineering and Technology (GIET) is situated in Sector 11, Sonipat of Haryana State, Delhi NCR, which is nearly 50 kilometers away from New Delhi and quite adjacent to the National Highway Number 1, popularly known as GT Karnal Road. GIET has a beautiful sprawling serene campus spread over an area of 28 acres of lush, salubrious, pollution-free, wonderful surroundings, which makes the campus highly conducive for imparting an ideal high level of technical teaching learning skills. Under the strict supervision and continuous guidance of the mentors of Gateway Group of Institutions Sonipat, within a very short period of time frame, GIET has earned a prestigious place among other top-class engineering and technical institutions of India. GIET offers 4 years BTech degree courses in Mechanical Engineering, Computer Science Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and Civil Engineering. These courses are duly approved by the AICTE, Ministry of HRD, Government of India, and are affiliated to Deenbandhu Choturam University of Science and Technology, Murthal, Sonipat, Haryana. In its centrally air-conditioned multi-storied premise, GIET provides excellent, conducive, and highly productive academic environments which inculcate the power of quality learning among its students. All classrooms are quite spacious with proper sitting arrangements. These classrooms are well equipped with modern teaching aids which make teaching and learning process more innovative and highly effective. GIET has a strong backup of well-qualified and experienced core faculty. They all command latest technical exposures, possess a rich resource base, and appropriate expertise in the respective specialized field of subjects. By virtue of this, they provide a perfect balance between theory and practice in the field of engineering and technology. Under the regular supervision of the director of the college, they brush up the schedules of pedagogy and deliver the best to the students. GIET stands one among few top league engineering and technological institutions of India, which has a series of state-of-the-art laboratories and workshops equipped with all necessary world-class, ultra-sophisticated scientific equipments, machines and tools. Under the able guidance of qualified instructors and faculty, students learn hands-on practical knowledge in operating these equipments, machines and tools. Another most striking feature related to these labs at GIET is provisions of imparting technical know-how which are truly beyond the curriculum.
Dear viewers, to make the student perfect in an engineering and technology education, the theory classes taught in the classroom must be accompanied with the practical know-how. To make this possible, the GIET is one of the very few institutions in India that have the state-of-the-art laboratories which have the world-class infrastructure. The students, with the help of the experienced faculty and the instructors, get the practical knowledge. Apart from this, the GIET is committed to have the international recognition. We have the students not from the Haryana but also from the different part of the India, just like Northeast and Nepal. The various students enjoys the very good residential life in the hostel, sports and recreational facilities. So I invite you to see our campus and feel the difference which we have from other institutions.
Mechanical engineering.
Welcome to the Department of Mechanical Engineering. The Mechanical Engineering is the most versatile and evergreen branch of engineering. The department is committed to produce top-class engineering professionals through academic excellence and quality education. The department has well-qualified and experienced faculty members. Our future plan is to start MTech in CAD/CAM and Diploma in Mechanical Engineering.
Computer science engineering.
We are proud enough to avail excellent computer lab found with an access to web, email and application softwares. In addition to these services, it also contains special purpose software for tutorial run by our department for our benefit.
Under our Beyond the Curricular program, we at the Department of Computer Science Engineering, GIT, keep an eye on the various growing new development happening worldwide in the field of computer science and duly impart all the practical know-how of those new development to our students.
Electronics and communication engineering.
We in PCB Design Lab learn the latest technology that how to design and fabricate the circuits on copper clad boards and prepare the PCBs. This is one of the PCBs that we have designed.
The Electronics and Communication Department is aimed to provide hardcore exposure on the hardware and software used in electronic gadgets and various communication techniques. We train our students according to the market demand by involving them in the projects beyond the university curriculum.
Electrical and electronics engineering.
The Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering is committed towards to impart the knowledge towards the efficient generation of electricity and interconnection of all the Indian grids so that the lack of electricity can be removed nationwide. The Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department is also conducting various research work on the renewable energy as well as lossless transmission in the field of one transmission point to another transmission point.
Civil engineering.
Yes, my name is Arab Bhatt, Civil Engineering, third year, here in Gateway Institute of Engineering and Technology. Here we have labs and very experienced and qualified teachers, and also sophisticated and state-of-the-art equipments, different laboratories, and one of them is concrete technology, which forms an important part of civil engineering. Other laboratories here include transportation, geology, geotech, etc.
Applied Science. Department of Applied Science at GIET imparts hands-on practical exposures in physics, chemistry and mathematics for the first year of engineering.
Our physics lab is fully equipped with modern experimental setup to study about optical, electrical and magnetic properties of matter and to meet the requirements of the growing engineer.
Our chemistry lab is well equipped with latest concepts of physical, organic and inorganic chemistry.
Department of Applied Science and Humanities offers courses in engineering, physics, chemistry and applied mathematics as prescribed curriculum of Dinbandhu Choturam University of Science and Technology. The dedication of our faculty member can be seen while the guiding and motivating the student within and outside the classroom. They are well appreciated by the students and teachers for their helping attitude.
Language Lab, for inculcating the quality of proper communication skills in English language, under the supervision of trained instructor, a language lab is also active within the campus.
Language Lab is one of the best technical aid for developing communication skill quickly and correctly with fluency.
At GIET, students are properly encouraged in doing various R&D works in a research and development cell which is functional within the campus.
Projects and assignments are regular phenomena. We study them thoroughly and present case study in front of our faculty in the classroom itself, which help us in coping with the real-time industrial problems. So thanks to the high academic environment of our college.
Library at GIET is housed in a quite spacious hall.
Our library is a temple of knowledge. Here we can get all updated books of all the subjects. We have the facility of photostat, e-books and scanner. All the faculty members of the library are supportive. We can say that our library is a temple within a temple.
This library has a huge collection of nearly 2,000 titles and more than 10,000 volumes of books on various subjects of engineering. Apart from these, this library also subscribes to various magazines and daily newspapers. It also maintains a rich collection of periodicals and research papers. Students also avail facility of book bank.
Our college organizes industry visits regularly. We visited Maruti Suzuki, HCL, Hero MotoCorp, Atlas. We learned there about the various technologies which will be very helpful to us during our career. And we are very thankful to our college authorities for organizing these visits.
A fleet of bus services are made available to the day boarders, faculty and non-teaching staffs living in different parts of the city and Delhi NCR. Gateway provides multi-storied, excellent hostel facility for boys and girls separately. Each room of these hostels is quite spacious, airy, clean and equipped with all necessary modern amenities. Each floor has a separate common room. Students living in these hostels also avail the facilities of uninterrupted power backup and RO system for the safe drinking water. A mess is also made available where highly nutritious and most hygienic foods are being served to the boarders, faculty and other staff members of the college on appropriate dining time. At Gateway Group of Institutions, a modern gym takes special care for the physical fitness of the students. For practicing various types of outdoor games, proper sports ground.
I needed to believe something. I need you to believe in something. I needed to believe.
Our college organizes various personality development programs regularly. We participate in debate competitions, sports activities, and cultural activities. These activities help us in developing our personality and communication skills. We are very thankful to the college authority for organizing such activities.
GIET takes special care for the proper placements of its students. To monitor and provide special assistance in placements under the supervision of a trained placement officer, a special cell of training and placements is also proactive within the campus.
The Training and Placement Department of GIT is dedicated to impart sound technical knowledge, good professional skills as well as nice communication skills to the students. We are also offering campus, joint campus as well as off-campus interviews for the students. Time to time we are also heading towards GDs, guest lecturers as well as national as well as international seminars for the overall personality development of the students. We are also heading towards major industrial visits such as in companies like HCL, Rollins Braking, Indo-Asian Limited, Everest Tools Limited, etc. We are also heading towards the coaching and training part of the students for the various competitive exams such as UPSC, your GMAT, MAT, etc. Our basic motto is to impart the suitable candidate to the best industries.
All academic and non-academic activities at GIET are performed under the able guidance of Dr. B.K. Khan, the director of GIET. Dr. B.K. Khan is a renowned scholar, a qualified engineer, a gold medalist in mechanical engineering, has also done MBA and PhD in engineering. He authored many books and published various research papers in leading national and international journals. He has more than 40 years of experience in working as senior engineer in the most reputed telco and HAL. He commands prolonged experience of teaching engineering and working as a principal and also as a group director for many reputed engineering colleges of India. Dr. B.K. Khan is also an outstanding yoga therapist and HR consultant of national repute.
Dear students, you have witnessed the corporate film of the Gateway Institute of Engineering Technology, Sonipat, Haryana. This is the reality. Nothing is fake in it. If you will visit this institute, you will find something more than that. If you dream to be the world-class engineer, you try to join the Gateway Institute of Engineering Technology, Sonipat, before it gets too late for you.